jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Merry Christmas to all the viewers of Yarn to Learn. I also wish you a prosperous new year. I pray to Almighty that you all and your families be healthy and safe. Dear teachers, today in this video I am going to share with you activities, the Christmas activity ideas for primary and pre-primary students. And yes, please do not forget to take the Christmas carols with children like Jingle Bells or Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. They would love it. Just sing with them, enjoy, do take up Christmas carols. And besides Christmas carols, what you can do, let's explore through this video. Very first idea, my friends, is build a fort, but how? With blankets and pillows. With younger children, they have this habit of using pillows and blankets to make their small houses. So why not give it as a task to them? It's just fun and flow of creativity. So tell your children to grab their favorite Christmas blankets, sheets and pillows for the ultimate fort building fun. Let them build secret tunnels and be creative and silly. Final step, take a pic and they should send that pic to you. The second activity idea is take a picture with Santa. Yes, take a picture with Santa. Now there are two ways. If the conditions are fine and they are moving out, so maybe at the shopping malls or at other centers, at prominent places, they can see people dressed up as Santa and they can get it clicked. The other way is that any of their family member could dress up as Santa and then they get themselves clicked with Santa. So it would be fun. If you're teaching 3rd, 4th, 5th higher grades, then you can ask them to write a caption with it as well. Third idea is one of my favorites. Don't just light up a Christmas tree, but grow one. So this Christmas, give this message of sustainability, give this message for love and care for our environment. Just share with your children that only lighting up a Christmas tree may not help our environment, our human race, but how planting a new tree can help it. So lighting up, yes, of course do, but do light up the atmosphere with planting a sapling, planting a new tree at your place, in your park, in your neighborhood, anywhere. The fourth idea is cook or bake cookie or cake. So it is basically with the help of any family member, either they bake a cake, prepare cookies, it's up to them. They would love making it and they would spend some time with the family member. They would be creative, they would learn a skill, they would be engaged, they would be happy to share the pics with you. And you may also ask them to get it tasted by other members, how they like it and all. So it's up to you how you take up. I am dropping you an idea. Coming to the fifth idea, it is be a secret Santa. Now this is again beautiful idea. Being a secret Santa is that be kind, be generous, do some charity, gift food to people who need it, warm clothes during winters to the underprivileged who cannot afford it, and not just people, extend helping hand to animals if you can with the help of adults. So any of the things that puts the kind back in the mankind, that they should do. And for this I would request you not to ask them to send you pics, because this is a task that they will do out of their heart and just for the purpose of helping anyone. So just let them be a secret Santa, drop them an idea, and if they are helping people, it would be beautiful Christmas. Sixth idea is Christmas craft. I usually don't talk about art and craft much, but yes, when we talk about Christmas, we cannot skip the craft work. So here are a few ideas. You may implement them if you like reindeer headbands. So you can create headbands. Maybe a brown paper would help. this shape can be taken out. It would be a simple strip of paper and then this shape. The family members can help. You can make it cute, simple. You can just give them some triangles to give that shape. It's up to you how you take up. Or the other thing that you can take is Christmas tree. So either you can take paper plates or a simple sheet of paper curved into a cone and then decorating that. It would be beautiful. Very simple craft for Christmas. Next is jingle bells. So again, if your class is higher, 3rd, 4th, 5th, upper primary grade, you can go with the golden sheets of papers and then get it made proper shape and all. But if you're teaching younger grades, see, there's an example how a paper cup can also be used for making a Christmas bell. So this is how you can take it up. Christmas cards. Now again, as per the grade level, you can take up the activity of Christmas card. Here is a hand shape cutting, but you can simply ask the child to put their hand and then draw it and then cut. If that is not feasible, just take a sheet of paper, paint your hand and put your handprint. It would be beautiful Christmas craft. Decorate it and they can gift it to their loved ones. 7th idea is not fantastic, it's fantastic family photo shoot. So encourage your students as well as their parents, family members to get a family photograph this Christmas, and it should be fun. It should be themed around Christmas. The idea should be theirs, how they are going to click in front of Christmas tree, maybe every member of family wearing the Christmas cap, Santa cap or something like this which is on your screen. So any of these ideas could be used for fantastic family photo shoot. So these were the 7 ideas that you can use for your children teachers. And here is Yearn to Learn wishing you all Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And if you need more Christmas activities, there is one more video of Christmas which is flashing up on the screen. The link is there and I'm putting the link in the description box also. Once again, may God bless you. May God keep you and your family healthy. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Yearn to Learn. This is Priya Handa signing off. May God bless you all.